Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to master public speaking and deliver confident presentations. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who wants to enhance their communication skills, these techniques will help you become a confident and engaging speaker. So, let's dive in. The first step in mastering public speaking is to understand the importance of preparation. Your level of confidence depends on how well you know your material. Let's explore some techniques to help you prepare effectively. Technique number 1, know your audience. Understanding who you'll be speaking to allows you to tailor your message to their needs and interests. Research their demographics, interests, and knowledge level to create a presentation that resonates with them. Moving on to technique number 2, structure your presentation. A well-organized speech keeps both you and your audience engaged. Use a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Consider using storytelling, examples, and visual aids to make your points more memorable. Now that you've prepared your content, let's focus on techniques to boost your confidence during the presentation. Technique number 3, practice, practice, practice. The more you rehearse, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Start by practicing alone, then in front of a mirror. Finally, gather a small audience of friends or family to simulate the real experience. Technique number 4. Manage your body language. Nonverbal cues play a significant role in public speaking. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and use natural gestures to convey confidence. Practice controlling nervous habits like fidgeting or pacing. Now, let's discuss how to engage your audience and make your presentations more impactful. Technique number 5, connect with your audience. Engage them by asking questions, using interactive elements, or telling relatable stories. Creating a connection helps build trust and keeps your listeners invested in your message. Lastly, technique number 6, master vocal techniques. Pay attention to your voice's pitch, tone, and volume. Varying these elements adds interest and emphasis to your speech. Practice using pauses for effect and speak clearly and confidently. And there you have it. These techniques will help you become a master of public speaking and deliver confident presentations. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you apply these techniques, the more confident you'll become. So go out there and shine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, keep speaking with confidence. Bye.